Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a five-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.